Hello friends, welcome to pennos.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Click English Script in Calligraphy pen set. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand certain details. So here, this is a Click brand and it is an English Script Calligraphy pen set. And it is a bold and beautiful style of writing one. And in the back side of this box you can find certain details, that is the contents. It has one pen with calligraphy nib and 4 sections with calligraphy nibs, and the nib type is given here. It is left cut one and the left side will be a sliding one, and it is nib sizes, that is 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, and the width also mentioned here. And it is a very good minimal cast calligraphy pen set. This is for beginners. If they practice to write with this, they will have a good style in writing with calligraphy. And there is a green color body and cap pen which has 4 sections here, and with this pen the 0.5 is coming, and the brand's name Click is mentioned in the nib portion, and it has a silver clip portion. In that clip the brand's name Click is mentioned, and a very hooded type black color portion is there, looking so good. And let me show you the ink filling system here. It is a eyedropper one, so whenever you are filling the ink in the barrel, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will created and you will spoil your hands. And also all the threads are turned to on. To increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you are opening and closing the grip portion during the ink fill, and this will increase the life of the thread. And also on maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it blocks the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder's groove. So to clean the dirt and deposits in the feeder, please remove the nib and the feeder unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. And after removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice that it is recommended to clean the pen with water. Here this is a Brill bottle. Here it is given, clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And if you didn't use any one of the sections, please don't fill the ink in that, means make the ink flow inside this. Please wash and keep aside. And if you are not cleaning for the long time, it will make the damage to the nib portions. And here this has number 1, 2, 3, 4 feed different nib size, and let me show one. This is number 4 one, and it has a very good sharp nib, and this is the exact size of the nib, exact size of the writing. If you fill the ink in this, if you move a little, this is a width size, and same to all. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.